This Blender plugin is designed to quickly create LOD collections for your models. It automatically switches between different LOD levels based on camera distance, making it the most versatile LOD plugin you'll find for Blender. Check out the link pinned in the comments. Let's get started. Let's use the Suzanne as an example. Right now, its face count is quite high. The first option is the LOD level. This sets how many LOD objects will be created. The second option is the decimate method. Since our LOD is created using the decimate modifier, the three choices here are the same as those in the modifier by default. It uses the collapse option, but you can select a different method depending on your model's needs. The third option is the decimate ratio. This sets the percentage of face reduction between different LOD objects. Lowering this value will make the reduction more aggressive. After adjusting these options and selecting the objects for LOD, click Create LOD. This will generate a new collection named after the selected object, where you can find a niche LOD object based on the specifics of your model. The next four options are tools to help with LOD adjustments. For example, after selecting objects in the collection, clicking Reset Position will reset all objects to the origin. This lets you check if the LOD is aligned, as expected from different angles. Once you set things up, you'll see the Select Camera option. If there's no camera in the scene, it will create one based on your current 3D view and the selected object. The distance unit and range multiplier parameters are displayed here to let you set values ahead of time, making batch processing easier later on. Set active camera makes the camera in the input box the active camera. Clean and use data clears and use nodes and objects, which is helpful for resetting nodes if things get messy. Once you're happy with the LOD objects in the collection, select the original object and click Add LOD Node. The plugin will then create a geometry node to handle LOD switching to better visualize distance unit and range multiplier. You can click LOD range visualization and switch to material preview mode. A depth plane will appear from the current camera, divided into multiple color bands. You can select the object in the camera subset with the depth ref suffix. Adjusting the reference length will stretch the depth plane, so you can scale it to match your scene. The second parameter, subdivision level, controls the resolution of the color bands. Increasing it will make the band edges sharper, though it will also use more resources. Back in the geometry nodes, you'll see that adjusting the distance unit changes the length of the first band. Adjusting the range multiplier changes the distance between the following bands. Each band represents a different LOD range. If you want to fine-tune a specific range, you can use the range adjustment property to customize it. You can view the LOD switching process in the top left corner under Statistics and Viewport. Once you're happy with the results, uncheck LOD range visualization to restore the object's default material. Back in the UI title, checking display range regulate displays the same parameters as in the geometry nodes. This option is useful for batch processing, letting you set parameters up front without needing to adjust repeatedly. That's the full functionality of this plugin. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.